Most people think only about today. Everyone wants success, but very few are willing to wait for it. We live in a world addicted to instant gratifications, fast money, quick results, overnight fame, but nothing great happens quickly. Every meaningful achievement is built over years of patience, persistence, and vision. Hope your consistent practice will build confidence day by day and help you to achieve massive results. And let's get into today's video, which is on non-homogeneous differential equation. And this topic is from differential equations of first order and first degree. So here is a problem to solve. So we have to solve, this is 2x plus 3y plus 5 into dy plus 3x plus 2y minus 5 into dx is equal to 0. First of all, when you identify they are a constants at the end of the terms, then we have to think that it is a non-homogeneous differential equation. So just I'm transforming this in terms of dy by dx. So here in the solution, I'm changing this as this is 2x plus this value is 3y plus 5 into dy is equal to minus of this is 3x plus 2y minus 5 into dx. So I need dy by dx. So here I'm changing this as dy by dx as minus of this is 3x plus 2y minus 5 divided by this value is 2x plus 3y, the value here is plus 5. And now see here, this can be written as dy by dx value is equal to, so if I send minus inside, this is minus 3x minus 2y plus 5 divided by this is 2x plus 3y plus 5. So if you observe this one, so this is a1, b1, a2, b2. So I am considering the determinant minus 3, this is minus 2, this is plus 2 and this is plus 3. So if I make a determinant, this is minus 9 minus of this is minus 4, this value is plus 4, the value here is minus 5, which is not equal to 0. Then we should take a substitution when the determinant is not equal to 0. So we have to put small x as this is capital X plus h and small y as this value is capital Y plus k. See here for small dx, so this will be capital dx and small dy, this will be d into capital Y. So this is the substitution which we have to give for the equation 1. So name it as equation 1, and therefore, so in place of dy by dx, in place of small dy, I am writing as small d capital Y, and in place of small dx it is d into capital X, and in place of small x, so I am writing x plus h minus 2 times of this is y plus k, and this value is plus 5 divided by, see here, this is 2 times of small x value is equal to this is capital X plus h, and this is y value is equal to this is y plus k, and this value is again plus k. See here, this is plus 5, and so see here, I'm just multiplying here, dy by dx is equal to this is minus 3x minus 3h minus 2y minus 2k plus 5 divided by, so this value is nothing but 2x plus 2h plus 3y plus 3k plus 5. See, I'm separating these variables here. So dy by dx value is equal to this is minus 3x, this is minus 2y plus this value is minus 3h minus 2k plus 5 divided by, so here this is 2x plus this variable is 3y plus, so here this is 2h plus 3k plus 5. Now see here, I am separating this part as it is an homogeneous differential equation. So the non-homogeneous differential equation, when given as a small substitution, it is transformed as a homogeneous differential equation. And now I'm separating this homogeneous part. See, if I separate this homogeneous part, see what happens here. This will become dy by dx. See, this is dy by dx value is equal to this is minus 3x minus 2y plus this is minus 3h minus 2k plus 5 divided by this value is 2x plus 3y plus this is 2h plus 3k plus 5 here. And now after separating this one. So after separating the homogeneous part, see here what is the homogeneous part? Dy by dx is equal to this one. So here I am considering this one, I am proceeding, and therefore dy by dx value is equal to, this is minus 3x minus 2y, by this value is 2x plus 3y. As it is a homogeneous differential equation, I am taking a substitution as put y is equal to v into x. If I make a derivative, this will be dy by dx value is equal to, for x it is 1. So I'm writing 1 as 1 into vv, and next I'm leaving x here. This will be dv by this value is dx. So if I substitute here in this equation, then see what happens here. In place of dy by dx, if I write v plus, so this is v plus x into dv by dx value is equal to, this is minus 3x minus 2 into y value is vx by this value is 2x plus 3 times of, in place of y I am writing vx, and therefore if you observe, I can take this x common and I can cancel here. So this value is going to become v plus x into this value is dv by dx. If I take x common, this will be minus 3 plus minus 3 minus 2v, and if I take x common, this will be 2 plus this value is 3v. So if I cancel this one, and again if I send this plus v to other side, then see what happens. If I send this plus v to other side, this is going to become x into dv by dx value is equal to, this is minus 3 minus 2v, by this value is 2 plus 3v, this is minus v. So here x into this value is dv by dx value is equal to, if I take an LCM as 2 plus 3v, then this will be minus 3 minus 2v minus v times of, this is 2 plus 3v. Clear? Our next step here is x into dv by dx value is equal to, this is minus 3 minus 2v, this is minus 2v, this is minus 3v square, by this value is 2 plus 3v. And see here, this is x into dv by dx value is equal to, this is minus 3v square. And if you observe, this is minus 2. So this value is minus 2. This is also minus 3. So here in total, this is minus 4v minus 3, by this value is 2 plus 3v. So here after cancelling x and sending v to other side, so this value is dv by dx. So this is v here. So here I am separating v terms to one side and x terms to one side. So if I send v terms to one side, then this will become, this is 2 plus 3v divided by, so if I take minus common, this will be 3v square plus 4v plus 3. And if I send x to other side, this will be dx by x. So this is dx by x. And now see here, so I'm sending this minus to other side. This is, see here, this is 3v plus 2 dv also here. There is dv here. So there is already dv. If I send this 2 plus 3v into dv, so 3v plus 2 into dv, by this value is 3v square plus 4v plus 3. And if I send this minus to other side, this is minus dx by x. And see here, observe, the derivative of 3v square is nothing but 6v. And the derivative of v is 1, and it's going to become 4. So in order to balance the numerator, I have to multiply and divide with, see here 2. And therefore, if I integrate on both sides, so after separating the variables and after integration, see what I'm going to do is, I am going to multiply, this is 3v plus 2 into dv, and this value is 3v square plus 4v plus 3, which is equal to minus dx by x. See, in this equation, I am going to multiply with 2 and divide with 2. So this is multiplying and dividing with 2 in order to get a simple solution. So here this is half times of, if I multiply, this will be 6v, and this is going to become 4 into dv, by this value is 3v square plus 4v plus 3, and which is equal to minus, this is dx by x. this is minus dx by x, and therefore the derivative of 3v square is nothing but 6v into dv, and for 4v, week 1, this is 4 into dv, and therefore I can write it in the form of half log of this value is 3v square plus 4v plus 3, which is equal to minus this value is log x plus this value is log c. So if I send this inside, then see, this is going to become half times of log, this value is 3v square plus 4v plus 3 plus this value is log x, which is equal to log c. So if I take 2 as LCM, this will be half times of this value is 3v square plus 4v plus 3 plus 2 times of this is log x, which is equal to log c. So if I send this 2 to other side and multiply, and it will become another constant. So this can be written as log c, and therefore this is going to become log of, this is going to become 3v square plus 4v plus 3 plus 2 times, so this 2 times can be written as log of x square. I'm sending this 2 to the power, and this 2 I'm sending to log c, and this is also log c. And as you know that log a plus log b value is log a into b. So this is log a into this value is log b, which is equal to log c. So if I cancel log on both sides, then this is going to become 3v square plus 4v plus 3 into the value here is x square is equal to c. So we made an substitution, that is put y is equal to v into x, and now v value is equal to this is y by x. Clear? So I am transforming each and every v as y by x. So here, wherever you find the v here, I am changing in terms of y by x. So I am putting y by x. So this is going to become, this is y by x whole square plus 4 times of this is y by x plus 3 into x square, which is equal to c. And therefore, so if I make an see here LCM, this is 4 into y by c plus 3 into the value here is x square is equal to c. So if I take LCM here as x square, this is going to become 3y square plus 4xy plus 3 into x square is equal to c. So if I cancel these two and see what remains here, this is 3v square plus 4 into xy plus 3 into x square is equal to c. So here this will be answer, but here it is in terms of capital letters. So here the question is in terms of small letters, and therefore so we have to make a substitution again. So here I have taken this homogeneous part and I have calculated. Now I am going to solve this one. This is as minus 3h minus 2k plus 5 is equal to 0, and this value is 2k plus 3k plus 5 is equal to 0. So if I calculate the h and k values, then this will be minus 2, 5, minus 3, and this is minus 2. This is 3, 5, 2, and this value is 3 here. So here the h value is nothing but minus 10 minus 15, and h value is nothing but 10 plus 15, and this value is nothing but minus 9 minus 4. Minus 9 minus 4, h value is equal to minus 25, and k value is equal to plus 25, and this is going to become, so this is minus 9 minus, see here, this is minus 9 minus of minus plus 4, and this is going to become minus 5. So h value is equal to minus 22 by minus 5, and k value is 22 by minus 5. The h is going to become plus 5, and k is going to become, this is minus 5. So we got h and k values. We got h value as 5 and k value as minus 5. And here we made a substitution as small x is equal to capital X plus k h, and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. And therefore we have small x is equal to capital X plus h, and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. And therefore if I substitute here, so in this equation, so h value is going to become capital X plus 5 and small y is equal to capital Y minus 5. And therefore we need capital X value. Capital X value is equal to small x minus 5, and capital Y value is equal to small y plus 5. And here is the substitution. So we have to finally make capital X value as a small x minus 5 and capital Y value as y plus k. So in this equation, see here, I'm transforming as capital Y can be written as this is y plus small y plus 5 whole square plus 4 times of this is x minus 5 into y plus 5 plus this is 3 times of x value is nothing but, so what is the x value here? X minus 5 whole square value is equal to c. So this is the final answer. As the question is in the small letters, we have to show the solution is also should be in the small letters, and here is the substitution and this is a solution here. See here, let me explain you the question. So here is the question. So we have to transform it in the form of dy by dx, and we have to make a determinant. If the determinant value not equal to 0, then here is a substitution, that is small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k. And here after making, we have to separate the homogeneous part and the non-homogeneous part. So here it is happened, and therefore here I have taken only the homogeneous part and I have substituted, put y is equal to vx, and I have cancelled this x and sent this v to other side, and here is the thing. And next we have to make a variables and separables, and after making variables and separables method and after integrating on both sides in order to balance the numerator as well as denominator, I have multiplied and divided with 2, and here we got the answer here, the solution. After getting the solution, see here, this is transformed. So v is transformed as y by x, and after putting y by x value, so here in place of v, after putting y by x, and see what I have made here, and after putting y by x, and here is a solution in capital letters. So here we have to transform it in terms of small letters. So here I have taken the other part and I have calculated the h and k values. H value is plus 5 and k value is minus 5, and I have transformed this capital X and capital Y in terms of small x and small y, and therefore this solution is transformed as this one, and this is the final answer. And this is how we have to solve when the determinant is not equal to 0. When the determinant is equal to 0, the both types are vividly explained and done the problems for you. Step by step is explained, and it is posted in the playlist, and go through the playlist, and so many videos are uploaded for your preparation. Definitely it will be very helpful, and pass it on to as many friends as you can. That is the greatest help needed to this channel. And stay connected for more videos, and my next topic will be on exact differential equations. Have a look at it, and thank you so much for staying till the end.